Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I'm gonna be installing this glueless wig that I got to review from a seller. And as you know, if you don't know, I'm a wig influencer. I review wigs and I do them on my YouTube channel, also on my TikTok page. So this is actually the first time doing wearing a glueless wig, of course, and I'm gonna be showing you how. I know you guys already know how to install a wig, so this video was actually made for TikTok, and I said, you know what, I forgot to make a video for my YouTube, so I went ahead and recreate this video to make it for you. So I'm not gonna be doing any ball cap method. I'm not gonna be wearing any wig cap for this glueless wig, and I've already styled it and I've already moisturized my wig because I think it's easier when I moisturize the wig, because when I put it on my head I don't have to pull it or drag it to get the moisturizer to go in every curl and to define each and every curl. So baby hair are my favorites. I'm not an expert at cutting baby hair, and sometimes I would use a razor comb to cut the baby hair, whereas sometimes I'll use a scissors to cut them. So this is what I'm actually doing here. I know I've not been posting consistently because I'm traveling, I'm doing a lot of other things, but I'm posting shorts. So if you guys want to catch up on some of my videos, go ahead and watch some of my nighttime skincare routine and some nighttime skincare product that I've been using, and some of the shorts that I've created for you here on my YouTube channel. So of course I am going to use my hot comb to flatten the top of my hair, and I love using this hot comb. I mean, it works magic for me and it does get the job done to put my hair back and to make it sleek. And of course I am going to do that. So but if you guys have reached this far into this video and you've not already subscribed to my YouTube channel, please go ahead and hit the red subscribe button below. Like the video after the video has completed. Go ahead and leave a comment. Let me know if you guys have worn a glueless wig before, and I am for sure I am using a little bit of got to be glue just to make it a little bit secure, because I'm going to be wearing this here for a few days, and so I'm not actually gluing it. I'm just adding a little got to be glue at the front here just to make it a little bit secure for the few days that I'm gonna be wearing this wig. So let me know guys, if when you wear a glueless wig, if you do add any glue at all, depending on how long you're gonna keep it. But anyways, I'm tying down the edges, my edges, of course, for a few minutes, not for long, maybe like 10 to 15 minutes, and then I'm gonna go ahead and finish styling. So this headband come with my my mousse, my melting mousse, you call it, or instead, because I do not use foundation anymore, because for some reason when I use the foundation I am washing my wig, it just does not remove from my wig. It always stays and I don't like it. So I decided that I'm gonna start using the mousse, the melting mousse. And this mousse, I bought it from Amazon. You guys are gonna see it, and it comes with that headband that you just saw. So that headband was not for advertisement, but if the seller see it and reached out to me and want me to promote their product, then I'll go ahead and make videos promoting their product. So I'm using this pencil curling iron to curl my edges, and I really love it. I bought this last year because I usually use the bigger one that I have, and I decided that I'm gonna go ahead and bought this one, and I think I love it. It's actually for if you're doing fine curls, and it's good to do your baby hair. Just a little bit to tell you about my book that I have on Amazon, which is my book on how to become a wig influencer. I also have that available for digital download, and I also have the hard copy on Amazon. I also have my vendors list book book that has 168 vendors listed. That is gonna help you to find vendors that you can reach out to become a wig influencer. Also in that book, I also have some pitches template that you guys can use, that you can just, what you need to do is just use the same template, just adding the name of your name, adding the company's name and a few other little details, and you're all set to use that template to reach out to the companies to get wigs to review, whether you want to be a paid wig influencer or you want to get free collaboration. So I will leave all of that information in the description bar below, so you guys can go ahead and check them out if you're more comfortable getting the hard copy on Amazon, or if you're more comfortable getting the digital download. The link will be in the description bar below. And thank you guys so much for watching my video. Please remember to hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, let me know what you think about this hair, and I will see you guys in my next video. Please do not forget to turn on your post notification bell so that you guys can be notified whenever I post my next video.